Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today is Mandala Monday. So I've already picked out the image that I want to do for today. It is the tree mandala. So let's get that. It is a design space image. The image itself comes in at 9 inches by 9 inches and it is a 6-layer image. So let me show you all the layers. So there's the top layer, so that's the black outline. You can see it's a pretty intricate cut. Then we've got a green outline. The leaves are solid, but it appears for the most part that the cutout in the actual tree itself mirrors what's in the black layer. And then we have this kind of olive greenish brown layer. You can see it gets a lot more intricate in the tree itself. Then we've got a solid layer, another solid layer, and then just the circle at the back. So there's the 6 layers. I believe that the top 3 layers are going to be the trickiest to get off the mat. So I'll try my best and I'm gonna get this cut out and I'll be back. Okay, so I've got everything cut out here. The cutting went well except for the black layer. I had actually quite a bit of trouble with that one. It recut that part of the file a few times and, you know, extra pressure or more pressure and tried a new blade. And the only thing I can think of now, after everything was said and done, was my mat wasn't sticky enough. And that was probably the case, so I'll have to clean that mat. I had to be extra gentle pulling the top 4 layers off the mat, and I was expecting that. I did have 2 little tears, so I'll have to glue those sections. So right there is a tear, and then there's another tear that happened in the black section. So I'll get those glued up. But let's get this put together. Okay, all done putting it together. I've given the glue a chance to dry. So color-wise, the lightest color was a cream, and then I just picked varying shades of green, and then black for the outline. So I think the color combinations ended up looking really, really good. Even this bluish green color there, it looks more blue now with the black next to it, but when I had it next to the greens, it had more of a green tone to it. So, but I think it looks really nice next to that emerald color of the leaves and the tree. The only thing I would change is maybe this bright green, turn that to a greenish brown. So like you can see the olive color there. And I think a bit more brown would make it really pop. But other than that, you know, I really love the piece and I'm very glad that I made it. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I truly appreciate it, and I appreciate you. Until next time.